Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm mainly doing this for one person. I've been working on this logo for a friend of mine, and first of all, I wouldn't have picked that font. But to make it look more like the real logo, and you can see it transparent so we can get rid of this box, I would, if this is your plaque and you've got it in your laser and ready to go, I would take the outline and I would move it out of the way. And then I would run this part of it, which is all black, at 100 power and 50 or 60 speed, go deep. Then take this logo and nudge it out of the way, put this one back, and run this at 100 power, 100 speed. The good thing about it, you can always run it again if it's not quite to your liking. Matter of fact, if your plaque is good and square, I would actually run that, take it out of the laser and sand it. Sand that black residue off, because when you run the gray, just when you do that, make sure your plaque squared and make sure you're dead set on your rulers. I do it all the time. And then you can sand all this away, and then this doesn't have to be sanded, and it can be real light engraving, but it's going to show up, and then that way you won't sand any of that away. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.